Welcome to a new day. Today I am sharing a simple daily routine that can boost both your mental and physical health. Let's get started. The first step to a healthy day starts as soon as you wake up. Hydrate your body with a glass of water. It's a great way to kickstart your metabolism and flush out toxins. Next, a nutritious breakfast is essential. Aim for a balanced meal with protein, healthy fat, and complex carbs. How about some oatmeal with fruits and nuts? Delicious and energizing. Exercise is crucial for both mental and physical health. Whether it's a brisk walk, a run, yoga, or a home workout, aim for at least 30 minutes of physical activity. Let's get moving. Regular exercise boosts your mood, increase energy level, and improve overall health. Find what you enjoy and make it a part of your daily routine. Taking care of your mind is just as important as your body. Spend a few minutes each day practicing mindfulness of meditation. It helps reduce stress and improve focus. Healthy eating doesn't stop at breakfast. For lunch and dinner, include plenty of vegetable, lean proteins, and whole grain. Avoid processed food and sugary snacks. Meals like this keep you full, energy, and ready to tackle the day. If you have a desk job, remember to take regular breaks, stand up, stretch, or take a quick walk. It helps reduce stress and prevents stiffness. Staying active throughout the day keeps your body and mind in top shape. As the day winds down, it's important to relax and prepare for a good night's sleep. Avoid screens an hour before bed and do something calming like reading or taking a warm bath. Quality sleep is vital for mental and physical health. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. And that is simple daily routine to keep your mental and physical health in check. Remember, consistency is key. Start small and gradually build these habits into your daily life. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more health and wellness tips. Have a great day.